Hi guys, welcome back to the second part of this web page website authoring of 2021 paper 3, and we are using Microsoft Expression Web 4 here. Yes, and already it's been solved in my videos using this front page, Microsoft's front page. And here that time I told I'm gonna even solve using Expression Web as well. So which one is familiar to you and you're able to follow, please do it. Okay, it's there using front page, and also now we are doing using Expression Web. And also one more important thing, I'm gonna leave the software link. If you don't have this Expression Web software in your system, you can download from the description link. Okay, now let's move. Open and edit the style sheet J2131 to meet the following specifications. Okay, we are going to open that, the one we attached above in step 12 here in the first video. Then we are going to edit it further and we'll make it better. Okay, now let's go to the file and open it. Go to open, and I'm going to open this which file it is, CSS file. I'm going to open this. Okay, so just observe the contents of the file. It got table and TD as well, TD, H2, H3, and paragraph as well. Okay, so these are the five specifications are there. Now let's check what else we have to do. Border collapse is separate, it's already there. Yeah, they don't want the border lines, right? So this is what border collapse separate. And border pixels, see, we have to make it even 0 of it. Yeah, make sure of that. And border here also of TD also, they don't want any border to be seen, so it is 0. Okay, and what else? Yes, let's see in the question paper, border spacing 20 pixels and minimum width is 400 pixels to the fine of that is of the table. Now let's see in the question paper, set the background for the web page background. That is not there at all in this style sheet. See, background means it is of body tag, so that's not there. Okay, so web page, so that it has a color, these are the color component. Set the background for the web page so that the image this to be added there, and place in only the top left corner of the window. Okay, placement is there, the color background color and background image, fine, this all there. Now let's come over here. We have to go for a new style, right? Because that's not here at all. Now go to new style, and with style body, right? So go to body B, this is the body. Okay, now come to background color. Yes, and click more colors, select any one and change to the numbers. What are the numbers? Hexadecimal 36, and I guess 21 to F. Next is 21, and this one is to F. Okay, to F, fine. Okay, this is done. Now next, background image, fine. So we are going to browse it to that image. See, this is the one, BG image. Oh, you see here, it's just repeated. It's repeated. Here is the background, repeat, no repeat. Yeah, that's good. This is the correct one. Okay, this is the correct one. And the position is there. Can you see the position? Top left corner. Now let's see that. Where's that? Say x axis and y axis the positions, and the x axis position is left and y axis position is on the top. It's vertical. Okay, it should be like this. Okay, we set all the attributes of it. Apply. Okay, you see there we got all fine. Now just get them in align with rest. And here also, just close it here. Okay, good. This is done. Save the work. Here, this is fully done. Now, set the font for styles H1, H2, H3 and for the paragraph style so that the browser selects and displays the font San Francisco. If this is not available, go for Calibri. If neither of them available, then go for default sans serif font. Okay, now let's do this one. Here, all together we can mention over here as well. So I'm going to take H1, H2, H3 and P for all this. Open curly brace. Here what is the first one? Font. You just click F there, you'll get font family. San Francisco, no. Okay, now what I'll do, just use double quotes. San Francisco. Okay, if this is not available, Calibri, it's available, and comma, sans serif. Just double click. Okay, then just give a semicolon and close the curly brace. Or here's, I have one there. Okay, now this is done. Next. Okay, this whole thing is done. Set the paragraph style so the text is fully justified with 12-point font. Okay, here paragraph fully justified in 12 points. Fully justified here. Yes. Okay, let's go for it separately, otherwise. Fully justified, right? Here is the style. P, go down to P. Okay, font size 12, right? 12 points. Okay, this is done. And justify, right? Justify here. Justify text line. Justify. Can you see here? Font size 12. Apply. Okay. Here we got. Okay, what I'll do, just paste there. This we can delete. Okay, now what else left? This is done. No, only this is done. Write align all tables in the browser window. Okay, for that we have to go back to the table. Here, go to the top. Okay, here, that is margin left. Here you see margin left, just take auto. Okay, with that we will get adjusted. So this all done. Add your name, center number, candidate number as a comment at the end of the style sheet. Okay, now go to the end, and now I'm adding comment. Sorry, I'm adding comment my details, center number, candidate number. Okay, and close the star, close the slash. This is a comment. Okay, this is end of our style sheet. All color codes are hexadecimal. Yes, we checked everything. Now take a screenshot to show the file name and the contents of the style sheet. Okay, come over here, take a screenshot of it, press print screen button and crop clearly to make the contents visible. Just copy, come to the evidence, and this will be the evidence 2. Evidence, now it is 2. Okay, and paste. It's seen clearly? Yeah, save, and let's come to the question. This evidence is done. Now display the web page in your web browser. If necessary, resize it so that all the page can be seen, all text can be easily read, the address bar is visible, and the background image is clearly visible. Now for that, what I'll do, this is the one I already added. Now come to this. Okay, this is the HTML page, right? Now we will set to 80% of the window, right? Here it's given in the beginning 80% of the table should be 80% of the browser window. Now that will set. Just here come to HTML file, right click, table properties. Okay, now what you do here, change to 80. Here change to 80, apply, okay, save, fine. Now we will open in the Chrome here. Okay, yeah, it will display like this. Can we just reduce the browser issue? I guess it's not displaying. Just I'll keep it like this. Yeah, that's better. Can you see that? Fine. Now we will take a screenshot of this. Almost it's visible, right? Restore it. Okay, almost it's visible. Now let's take a screenshot of this. How do we take the screenshot? And as evidence 3. Okay, fine. Here, press print screen button and crop the whole thing like this. Okay, like this, and copy, come to the evidence. This will be evidence 3. So evidence 3, paste. Now save, get to the question. This is done. Display the HTML source in your editor and take a copy that source and paste as evidence 4. Okay, open that. This is the code. Okay, and press Ctrl A and Ctrl C, come to the evidence, go to the next, Okay, here uh, it is evidence for, and paste the whole code like this. Okay, and you will highlight as well, like the style sheet attachment. You will highlight where is the good home, and this one highlighting, and some image also images attachment also you can highlight, inserting images, highlight, and what else, your details you have to highlight, your details, and here one more, the hyperlink, always highlight. Okay, done. So this is your evidence. Just I'll minimize to have a look fully. Yeah, these are the 4 pages, and what about this one? This is done. Printing your evidence document. Okay, save and print your evidence document. Make sure your details are on there. Yeah, this is end of the web page website authoring using Microsoft Expression Web. Okay, Microsoft Expression Web, because I did already the I solved this using Microsoft front page, Microsoft front page. Now this is second time I'm doing with Microsoft Expression Web 4. Fine. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot.